A federal judge upholds a lower court's ruling against a law that could put librarians in an Arkansas courtroom facing criminal charges. Monday's ruling stops part of Act 372, a bill signed into law in 2023. Governor Sarah Sanders says it's based on common sense and, quote, schools and libraries shouldn't put obscene material in front of our kids. Although Arkansas has a law to prohibit obscenity from public libraries, Act 372 looks to take it a step further. Supporters of the law say it changes what books are on library shelves, allowing people to challenge the material for any obscene content, pointing to pornographic content and language that can exist within stories. A coalition of libraries, organizations, and curators sued the state following the bill's passage. The group says it threatens people for simply doing their jobs. The plaintiffs point to the First Amendment and argue many of these books are constitutionally protected. The focus is on two sections of the law, allowing criminal penalties for librarians and booksellers who fail to keep harmful books away from kids. It also details how books should be moved away from minors in order to avoid any exposure to the material. In the ruling, U.S. District Judge Timothy Brooks said, as written, the law makes the burden of censorship fall on librarians and booksellers. He writes, when motivated by the fear of jail time, it is likely they will shelve only books fit for young children and segregate or discard the rest. Ultimately, he ruled it's unconstitutional and uses broad language that leaves the law up for interpretation. Arkansas's Attorney General says he plans to appeal the law, but respects the court's decision. Texas, Iowa, and Indiana have passed similar legislation that restricts access to certain literature and makes challenging the material easier. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Taylor. For more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit san.com.